So they're still very jumpy. They're not big on me. They'll play around Bobby. So this is the first time I've been able to get them to play. Look, it's a paint stick and I just put some string on it. This is the one Stephanie liked with the half face. They have a home. Both of them are going to go to the same place. I think they're going to go Friday because they need to get used to their people. You got to get used to your... Oh, here comes somebody from the right. Oh, no, she's gone that way. So the smaller one, which is this one over here, isn't as nervous as the one that you can see flat out on her belly, acting like she's not afraid of anything, but she's more timid than the other one because I think she's had to take care of the baby. Yes. Well, dang it, now you guys are super cute. I'm not sure I want to give you up. Are you looking right at me? Hi. Hi. Under the ottoman. Curiosity will at least catch a cat. Hmm?